In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pepperstone Crypto. If you're new to Pepperstone and wondering how crypto works on the platform, here's the clear picture. There are two main ways to engage with crypto here. The first is through crypto CFDs, which are the most common. With CFDs, you're not buying actual coins. Instead, you're trading the price movement of assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can go long if you think price will rise, or go short if you expect it to fall. There's no wallet required because you don't hold the coins themselves. CFDs often use leverage, which can amplify both gains and losses, so it's higher risk and deserves careful sizing and risk control. The second option is Pepperstone's actual crypto platform, where you can deposit, hold, and withdraw real crypto. Think of it like a traditional crypto exchange. Supported assets include popular choices such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and stablecoins like USDT and USDC. Because this involves real coins moving on blockchain networks, there are a few essential rules to keep in mind. Always select the correct network when making deposits or withdrawals. Sending to the wrong network can permanently lose funds. If a memo or tag is required by the network, be sure to include it. And check the minimum deposit amounts. For example, a tiny threshold like 0.001 BTC to ensure your transfer is credited properly. Now let's walk through placing a crypto CFD trade using Pepperstone's platforms. Open your preferred platform, MT4, MT5, or cTrader. Head to the market watch or the symbols list and look for crypto pairs such as BTCUSD or ETHUSD. Once you find the pair you want, open the chart to review the price action and confirm the current spread and conditions. When you're ready, click New Order. Choose your lot size carefully, then set your stop loss and take profit based on your plan. Finally, click Buy if you expect the price to rise or Sell if you expect it to fall. One major advantage here is flexibility. Unlike many traditional crypto apps, CFDs let you trade both directions. And crypto CFDs trade around the clock, giving you 24/7 market access. To recap, decide whether you want the flexibility of CFD price trading without holding coins or the ownership and transferability of real crypto on the dedicated platform. Stay mindful of leverage risk with CFDs and double-check networks, memos, and minimums when moving real coins. With these foundations, you'll be ready to navigate Pepperstone Crypto confidently.